Well, welcome to Lake Sunapee this morning. We were just kind of getting back, so this is kind of an intro, outro. We're gonna go out and we're given a couple of spots and a couple of parking spots, which is kind of nice. If you guys want to know where to get access to lakes around New Hampshire, like where I fish, you can go, I'll leave the website basically below, and you can find out all of the public access points to pretty much everywhere in every lake in New Hampshire. Mainly the big ones have access points. Some of the small ones have private access and stuff like that, which is kind of annoying, but they're allowed to do that, unfortunately. Unless you get helicopter lifted in, you can still fish it. So yeah, we're fishing Sunapee. I got my brother with me today, and he's never caught a laker before, so he took the day off, and we're gonna go poke around, see if we can catch him. Usually if I don't see fish within like, I don't know, 5 minutes of jigging.
Move.
Yeah, I move. Not worth it most of the time. Especially in a new place. If I know if it's a honey hole spot, then we can go hop off the ledge here and move into that 75 feet, which is like over there. Let's do that. Come on. We're in spot number like 7 already. Oh. Stop. There's a fish on you. Set the hook. Oh no, he went down. Oh, here he is. Real. So that's the fish. The top one's you, the bottom one's me. He's on you. Real. I'm above you. All right, stop. So you want him to chase you, got it? Yep. So drop down. Trying to teach my brother how to jig for lakers here. Go quick. Oh, there's 2 of them. Maybe. Oh, he's coming up to you. Stop. Reel. Reel faster. Stop. It's like a cat and mouse game. You gotta keep messing with him. All right, he's coming back up to you. Just dead stick it for a second. Hold on still. Now reel. Stop. It might be a big fish, actually. Got the hook? Nope. Reel. Stop. Yeah, they're not in like a complete chasing mood, but that's definitely a laker. 100% the lake trout. Oh, not that fast. So you're gonna try to match his speed as much as you can. Yeah, let's see if he'll come to me or not. Nope. Chase it for a minute. Like chase. Oh, there's one on you. Stop. Reel. Oh, you missed him. Oh, he's on you again. He's dropping down with you. That's a big fish, Aaron. You've bit 2 fish so far. Isn't that fun though? It's super exhilarating when they come in like that. If they're actually fired up and they want to chase, it's fun. It's super fun. Yeah. Problem with the aqua view is, oh, it's fish on you. Reel. Stop. He's right below you. See, that's him? Yep. Drop. Oh, there's more than one down there. Reel. Ooh, he dropped. He's not. That's a big fish. It's like a 20-incher. Don't do those jigging motions. See how he doesn't like it. He's going back down. He's coming back up to you or me. Reel. He's on me. Oh, he does not like that. He doesn't want to chase completely. See how he's going back down? Yep. What is his problem? I've never had a fish stay around this long. Wow. This is weird. This is really weird. So instead it could be a burbot because they'll just hang around for a while. This water's pretty clear, not as... Ooh! He's on you. Got him?
Got him.
Aaron's on! Just keep the pressure on him. Keep the pressure on him. Keep the pressure on him. If he wants to burp for a second, let him burp. Here, let me get on your side. I'll scoop him. It's usually people eat. Oh, I almost dropped my freaking camera.
Little Laker. Oh! Laker though. Just barely had him. That's why. Hey, I got him to the hole.
That doesn't count. We're not playing horseshoes. He almost had him, but I couldn't make it over there fast enough because I was stepping over the freaking sled. Oop. Got it. Come screaming up at bottom, guys. Tiny one. What they normally do is they get wrapped in the freaking transducer cable. It's a little squeaker. Like literally, a little squeaker. He's still got paw marks on him, guys. He's so cute. He's still got almost got paw marks are almost gone, guys. Oh, there he goes. Run, run, run. Run, run. Here, run away from me. Don't make me catch that one. You got him. All right, I'll actually scoop this one for you.
This one feels a little bigger.
Does it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let me roll my line out of the way. Little buggers freaking get all floppy during the hole. You ain't gonna run with that. No, he's not that much bigger. But cool shot of him. Flip him, both flip him, get him on the ice.
First ice Laker.
Get out. There you go. Take your gloves off and touch him. I'll take a picture for you. What'd you just do? Oh. Perfect. Going back down. We found the big ones, guys. Now the goal is hopefully the bigger ones are mixed in, but not always. Those little ones almost always chase too. The big ones do too, but they're sometimes a little lazier. See what happens is if we get fish, and then we'll set up a shack and then freaking fish. Thinks there's multiple smelt down there now. Oh, he thumped that. It's a slightly bigger one. Get down there, Aaron. There's no fish down there right now, but
You don't think.
he's not much bigger. Ah, he just got poop all over the place. Pinned him right in the top of the mouth. Another little guy. That means they're spawning well in here. This is probably a year or two old. So once I get down there, reel yours up and I'll hit it with the UV light. Or not. Bigger one?
No. Oh, maybe.
No. Everything feels small, big on that rod.
I'm just bumping that across the bottom and boom.
I know, I saw it happen.
Got me by surprise.
Aaron's on again. You beat me now, 3-2? Or 3-3? Don't flip him! He's huge! You can hook him yourself. You're a big boy now.
There you go.
Just, that's probably the biggest one of the day, maybe.
Yeah. See ya.
Going back down. He was just asking me, so how often you just bounce bottom and they just bite it? Bang! Just like that. Yeah, like these fight just the same as a crappie does. Like, get a bigger one, it's a little more fun. Oop, or do you just lift up?
No, I'm not at the bottom yet, so that's you on a fish.
Ooh, I missed him. Ah! Oh, he stopped at the chum, that little bugger.
What do you expect?
Oh, I keep forgetting to hit the record button.
Like, this smells better, man.
Oh, he stopped on the chum again. So we have chum going down the screen, guys. Down the hole here, and every time I get the lake trout to chase, he stops at the chum coming up. Oh, we got one. We got one.
You do?
Coming up.
I'll catch him.
Yeah, he's coming up to you. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Reel.
Chum at the
He's
moment.
probably eating the chum. Little freaking whippersnappers down there. He's on you. Lift, reel. Get him. It's just as much excitement seeing everybody else get chased too. Ooh, look at that one, screaming up. Oh, did you see that?
Got me though.
Oh, you got that one. That
Another one there.
I know, I'm trying to get him. That one was amped, guys. That's a Laker. It's a bigger one though. Ah, biggest one of the day.
That's a nice Laker.
He was fired up, guys. Nice. Doesn't get any pretty back than that. That one was just like, shoo!
Hold it right here. It's not that much further away. Oh, our back's not quite.
Yeah, we're not. Might be a fish down there. Or it's just you and I. Just you and I. Oh, no, there's a fish. There's a fish on you right now. Get him. Oh. Reel. Reel. He's amped up, guys. He's down there again. He's coming up to one of us. All right, get out of the way. Yeah. Oh no, he fell off. I did have him, guys. I'm like, oh, that got heavy really quick. Yeah, he ain't coming back. He got ripped about 30 feet off bottom. I got whacked and I did not set the hook. I didn't even see him come in. He came in so fast. Go some routes. Good. It's tiny. Well, tiny for today. Can't even see him. Ooh, I got him. Oh, he's off again. Ah, guys, crap. Almost just like snapped my wrist trying to set the hook on it. I don't know how long it was in his mouth for, but it was in there for quite a while. Well, guys, thank you very much for watching. This is day number 2 of thinking I'm going to get skunked because it's a new lake and we found Lakers. My brother caught his first, caught what, 3 Lakers? 4 Lakers. I probably caught 4. I dropped 2 just because they just came screaming in and I was not prepared for it. But yeah, they weren't very big, but I will come back in the boat. I probably won't come back ice fishing here this year, but this is Lake Sunapee, which people call like Lake Sunapee sometimes.